Ndenda kwaria horo wa JCM na ni mwenda kumena mwenda kukatia mwenda kunuma. I don't care, but I want to tell you people the truth. I've been watching you so closely. No handu muhititie na ningumwira ma onawe Bishop Benson nigukwira ma umuthi wenda kumena umene hindi kanitha ucio wa JCM wanjagia ni kwari na mundu wetagwo Jeff wa kindu gitagwo Fanikisha Microfinance kana Fanikisha Bank. Mundu wetagwo Jeff niwe warutaga irio andu marie kanitha ucio giakwo na hindi ciothe wari na compassionate niguita wetaga Jeff agakuhe ngiri 20 akaruta na waturaga weganithagia na Jeff. Umwe uyu Jeff re Jeff ndamuona Facebook anikitwo ati ni aharire. Jeff no wa kindu gitagwo brotherhood my foot. Niki gitumaga mundu wa hara ewa brotherhood ne wa kanitha mutieragia horo wake mutimutetagira mumurekanagio guo tangi mahio. Let me talk of Jeff. Jeff athiete wega na kindu gitagwo Fanikisha Microfinance. Niwe warugamagio ni kiengei. Jeff tena ngiri 20 Jeff tena ngiri 10 negera muria mundu kindu kina. A time came haria mundu witagwo Jeff asetirwo either ni manager wa Microfinance na akianjia gutengerio ni KRA na mundu ucio akihara na agituika riu ni mundu depressed na stressed. Gutiri mundu uri waria uhoro wa Jeff ucio wa JCM. And let me tell you something, mundu witagwo Jeff ajia gutengerio ni KRA ndiramuona guku Facebook anikitwo andu makiuga na bia cito ena ke agithukagirio ritwa. Nobody has commented. Gutiri mundu uri wa comment no uri wa mutetera including Bishop Ben. And this is what I want to tell you. It is so wrong. It is so wrong. Brotherhood, whatever you call yourself, brotherhood, as long as you don't stand with your own. I want you to respond on this. Who is there? No ucio onyitereire mundu witagwo Jeff arekia kuruta indo ciothe kanitha-ini ri arekia kumuteithiriria gwakari arekia kunyitirira Bishop ri aharari mwariganirwo niwe niki mundu ucio ne umire ginya kanitha. He's stressed up. He's dying of stress. Nego kwara kwa ne stress. Na riu ningi ona ikuwa ne stress this morning ndarikia komenya ne uma groups zote za kanitha. Ametoka group zote za church. We are not stupid. This guy has been so supportive in your church. Why are you forgetting him? Why are you not defending him? Why are you not commenting on every abusive words thrown to him? Niki gitumaga mundu wa haramu kariganirwo niwe. Nake ide mwire ithu tutiri akigu na ngaiti muri angoro. And this goes to Jeff. Jeff Ngai nio wiro ria warutaga na Ngai ni agakuririkana. No na inyue ndurika ici mwendaga mundu hindi ria na kindu na haramu kamutiganiria. Ngai wa muoyo ni ari muonaga. And let me tell you something, he's been supportive to the church. JCM kiajia gwakwo atura arugamagio kahena ngiri 20 akoretwo wa brotherhood aharari muramuteniki muraya kumwariria niki. The guy is going down because of what you call depression. He's dying of depression and you are there being quiet. Na ngirikia gukua haha ri mwi hau muyuritie thende na kurugaruga atia ngaki ai shame on you mwenda konuma munu